Luxury has always been loud. Until now. What happens when absolute power chooses silence? Tonight, we don't just reveal a car, we unveil a future that was never meant to be rushed. Before electric dreams, before digital luxury, there was Maybach, a name born not to follow trends, but to define eras. From engineering royalty to rolling palaces, Maybach has never chased relevance. It waited until the world was ready. Why does this car matter? Because when Maybach moves, the luxury industry listens. This is the Mercedes-Maybach 6 Cabriolet. Long, sculpted, and unapologetically future-driven. Not built to impress crowds, but to redefine what presence truly means. You don't look at it, you feel it arrive. Every line here has a purpose. Not aggression, authority. Not excess, precision. The elongated hood whispers classic grand touring, while the seamless surfaces erase the past. Compared to previous generations, this isn't evolution, it's a clean break. Maybach didn't redesign a car, they redesigned restraint. Silence is not weakness. In the 6 Cabriolet, silence becomes strength. This is a full electric vision where instant torque replaces noise, and intelligence replaces excess. Old luxury solved comfort. This one solves calm. Every acceleration is smooth. Every response feels intentional. Driving no longer demands effort, it rewards presence. Step inside and the world lowers its voice. This cabin isn't designed to impress your eyes. It's designed to slow your breathing. Screens disappear into surfaces. Light responds to mood. Luxury here isn't about features, it's about how little you have to think. This is not a cockpit. It's a sanctuary in motion. When Maybach goes electric, the question is no longer if but who's next. Against Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and the new luxury EV players, the 6 Cabriolet doesn't compete on specs. It competes on philosophy. This car doesn't chase volume, it defines the ceiling. In the global luxury market, this is a signal, not a product. The Mercedes-Maybach 6 Cabriolet is not the end goal. It's a preview, a future where luxury is quiet, where technology serves emotion, where progress doesn't shout, it arrives. This isn't about abandoning the past, it's about choosing what comes next. And the future is already here. What does the future of luxury mean to you? Let us know your thoughts below. And if you believe cars can tell stories, welcome to Carsnouva.